Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to do a review on the PESCIENCE protein powders. I got all these flavors and I'm excited to go ahead and give them a taste test and let you guys know what I think. And I'm going to be trying all the flavors and tell you guys my honest opinion. I bought everything with my own money. I got it from their website. I know they have like a package where you can try all the flavors before you commit on buying like a big tub, because when you buy a big tub of a protein that you don't like, that sucks because you just wasted so much money on a product that you don't like. Flavors are chocolate peanut butter cup. They also have strawberry cheesecake, peanut butter cookie, amazing snickerdoodle. I've heard so many great things about this flavor, so I'm really excited to try it. And then amazing vanilla, it looks like this. And then chocolate cupcake, frosted chocolate cupcake, it looks like this. So I'm most excited to try the chocolate peanut butter cup, the snickerdoodle flavor, and the amazing peanut butter cookie, just because I love peanut butter. So I'm really excited to try these out and see which ones I like the most. I also want to say that every time you order with them through their website, they always send like little samples of, they sent me a select bar protein sample of the chocolate peanut butter. So I'm really excited to try this, and I'm glad that they sent me this because I'm a big fan of anything chocolate and peanut butter. They also sent a couple more samples of their vegan protein and their select protein. So that's really nice that they always send you like samples of their other products for you to try them out. And I don't think a lot of companies do that. And how I'm going to do the taste test is just on a shaker cup with a little ball, just to see how the powder blends. Now I'm going to be using the same milk on all of them, which is just almond milk unsweetened, just to see how they all taste. That I'm going to be trying out, it's an amazing snickerdoodle, just because I've heard so many great things. Smells really good. It smells like a cookie. I'm gonna shake it up. This is good. This is really good. I would give this an 8 out of 10. You can taste a little bit of cinnamon, which I love. So yeah, I would give this an 8 out of 10. What I can say is that it blended very, very nice. I'm not gonna try them all today because I feel like if I try them all today, I'm gonna have a stomach ache. Hi guys, so I'm here with my little brother. What's your name?
Loris.
Today we're gonna be trying out the amazing strawberry cheesecake. It looks like it's so funny. It's so funny. And I'm gonna have it with some almond milk. Hear noise in the background, it's my little sister. She's 2.
No, I didn't. Does it look tasty?
I guess I don't really taste like the cheesecake, but it does taste like.
Can I taste the cheesecake?
It does have like a little taste of strawberry. You want to taste it? Okay.
It's tasty.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, so what does it taste like?
Maybe strawberries.
Oh, it tastes like strawberries?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would say.
And banana were mixing together.
Oh, okay. So I would say this tastes like strawberry milk, not like a strawberry cheesecake.
Yummy.
So yeah, it tastes more of like a strawberry milk. And I would rate this one a 7.5 out of 10. Hi guys, so today I'm going to be trying the vanilla one. It looks like this. I can say it's really creamy. and it's really sweet. I would give this one like an 8.5 out of 10. I feel like it's kind of the same as the snickerdoodle, but the snickerdoodle you just taste more of the cinnamon. But this one might be my favorite out of the other two that I've tried, because it tastes like you're drinking a vanilla milkshake. But I would say it's super sweet. So, but I love sweet things. If you're still watching this, I truly appreciate it. Thank you. Today I'm going to be trying the amazing peanut butter cookie. It looks like this. And I'm so excited because I love peanut butter and I love cookies. So it tastes like the same as the snickerdoodle. Yeah, I feel like it tastes the same. I think I might like this one a little more though. And it blended really, really nice. So that's what I love about PESCIENCE, because their proteins powders blend really nice and they get super creamy. Okay, I will give this one an 8 out of 10. This one might be my favorite, and the vanilla one that I've tried so far. Hi guys, so today I'm gonna be trying the frosted chocolate cupcake. It looks like this. Okay, and I'm just gonna have it in some almond milk in my Spider-Man shaker cup. I don't know if I showed you guys how big the scoops are, but they're really big. Like, look at this. I'm not the type of person that would buy like a big bag of chocolate, just because I feel like chocolate can be tiring and there's not a lot of things you can do with chocolate except drink it alone or with a banana. I like this one a lot, actually. It's really sweet though, and like it's super sweet that you don't need to add any other things. Like usually when you buy protein powders, you have to add like a banana to make it sweet, or like honey to make it sweet, but they're sweet, so you don't need to add like extra stuff. You can just have it with some almond milk or whatever milk you like. This one is really good. It's like chocolate, but like you don't really taste the chocolate. Like, how can I explain it? It's so hard. It doesn't taste like chocolate milk. It tastes like something else, but I just can't think of. It's really, really good. I would rate this one an 8.5 out of 10. I wouldn't say it tastes like frosted chocolate cupcake. I would say it tastes like chocolate, but sweet, but not like super chocolatey. Like, it's like the perfect amount of chocolate, but then you taste like the sweet. I don't know, hopefully I'm making sense. I like it a lot because you can just have it like this, and I'm really impressed. Honestly, I thought I wasn't gonna like it. Today I'm gonna be trying out the chocolate peanut butter cup, and it will be the last one. And look, this one smells like chocolate. This one's really good. I mean, I feel like you can't taste the peanut butter. You taste a little bit more of the chocolate. I would rate the chocolate peanut butter an 8 out of 10. It's really good by itself, but I wish that you can taste more of the peanut butter. And if I would buy a tub, it will be the vanilla one or the peanut butter cookie. Those two are my favorites. And thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you can like, subscribe, and I hope they're having an amazing day. Bye.